Yeah, just park behind.
Alright, so I don't know what happened there, but apparently my stream did not stay started. But we are already in the grind. Doing qualifying already. We'll get right into the race. A little bit of hectic tonight, but we're gonna make it. We're gonna make it tonight. We're gonna do something. We're gonna figure out something. We're gonna hope for a win. Nobody involved in this league. Good bragging rights. Running about middle of the pack here because it's sliders, so can't really tune the car in too well.
You got room, you're clear there. Two laps to go. Hey, we finished, and that's the start.
He won, baby.
I fell fast. Yeah, I got like a 3 something.
I feel like Hayden, or not, I feel like Irish is gonna have ran like a 24.00, like a 23.9.
Pretty close.
Alright, so now that we're in stage break here, I'm gonna go ahead and run an ad just to kind of turn it off for everybody else.
my.
You turn that down. Alright. So I'm gonna run a quick ad real quick before we start this race. So we'll be right back.
I did it.
What the fuck?
I'll just change. Okay.
Alright, so for
I don't like
you
being up front right now.
14 out of 15.
Nice lap, young.
No.
Can we change it to a
14 out of 15, not bad.
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, so what we got going on is, remember, I got that Thursday night league that's going on. So join my Discord, get into it. Yep.
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 I just pinged him
Oh.
again.
That being said, that should disable ads for people that jump in real quick. This is going to be interesting. Qualified second to last. So it might be a horrible
We
night,
didn't practice.
but we shall see.
Also, if you're wrecking, you're not an official. Please, 2 cars around or something. Or do not say yellow or caution. Helps everyone.
Caution.
My fucking mic is unmuted. But whoever did, the pulled up, I heard it in the back. If you can just turn that volume. Small back, might have to extra one, but we'll see.
I think we need to verify. I've done this in the past. Does everybody get their lap
Everyone's one lap back.
on a
If
manual
you're
caution?
yes. With it being as short of a track as it is, it is a manual caution. Leaders take on, make sure we're all together before we go on the road, and then not it goes super slow. Do it like we've done in the past with the choose cone. Just your position, you're taking inside, outside, and just try that going as soon as you come up here, so we can kind of hopefully we'll have to go in extra. Yeah. Even like 20 miles an hour until we get lined up, then pick it up to whatever.
Can you guys hear my?
Yes.
Yeah. Can y'all hear
My
mine?
bad.
I think it's good. But I'll have mine muted anyway. Let's get a check for this phone, and then I'll
All right. So we got a few seconds.
nothing
I thought I had it read.
I'd like
It's going to be interesting.
to have y'all check this out. Oh, never mind. We're about to start. We'll do it afterwards. I kind of threw together a quick intro for the channel. Hopefully I can get it implemented and actually have it hide it. It's supposed to hide it after.
And 3 does not work here. Whoever.
4 wide.
Wide
good,
doesn't
3
work.
wide, no good.
Yeah.
we're fine.
Wish me luck
God,
now.
Tyler, you would went to the little park tonight. It had go-kart, and me and two other my friends decided to make a wall and drove wide around the entire track the whole time. People were not happy.
As far as channel points, I don't have
Fuck.
anything to hydrate with. I rushed into this. We're gonna try and make it fun. See what happens. See what happens.
But
You don't if you accepted.
well, that's your fault, bud.
Alright.
Gonna be interesting, y'all. I didn't run any practice laps or nothing. Qualified 14 out of 15 cars.
Long loading time.
Not good. I'm already at the
I'm still loading.
Okay. Flag, boy.
was.
Alrighty, let's get this ready. Y'all know the
So I
drill.
guess it actually.
I'm gonna
waiting
peek
for
back
drivers.
at
I always thought that was just a fucking shitty excuse for NASCAR, but I
I
guess we
Oh.
actually have to wait for people.
usually is a shady
It is still a
excuse for
shitty
NASCAR
yeah.
loading.
Is everyone here?
See what happens.
I was waiting too. Alright, guys.
All right.
All right,
Be
now,
patient.
be smart out there.
Let's go.
Going green. Be ready now. Green, green, green. Looking inside now.
You're good, Sam. Back here.
Careful. Still there.
Ah,
You got room. You're clear. Car there on the inside. All right, you're clear there.
sorry, I didn't know someone was
You
high.
got room. You're clear. Inside.
Sweat the sub. Starting it off real quick. Appreciate that.
We got 20 more left.
That's what I'm here for, Sweat.
Looking inside now. You got room. You're clear. Hold your line. Got one inside.
Get out of that turn too high. Should have loosened my truck up a little bit. Welcome, Loki. Appreciate the hype there, buddy. Sweat starting it off good with a sub. Try and catch back up, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to do much until I get. Oh. Well, this stage might be for a loss, but yeah, I mean, we got yeah, it's a little more difficult to network now. Loki,
Tyler, if you want it, just let me know.
Nope, I'm good.
the way Twitch has changed and how they determine
Money,
who's
Tyler, you
watching people.
Got a car low now. Clear low.
I'm just gonna let you both go low here. You at least, kind of backed up. If he gets me, he gets me.
Yeah, you got Twitch is making you live up to what you're saying you're doing, and forcing you to talk in people's chats now rather than just doing lurch. Which, and I'm already doing that anyway, so it doesn't really affect me. But there are people that are affected by it. Like you got to chat to actually get your view counted every so often. I'm sure somebody will figure out the trick to it. Keep it rolling. Man, I can't believe we're so close to freaking 400 affiliates already in CSSC. It's insane. The rate we're going, man, you'll be partner in no time and be able to start pushing other people to partner with no problem. That'd be awesome. Making some left turns. Left turn.
Half down, half to go. This time by.
Definitely gotta do something different. Definitely not. Gotta figure out something here.
All right,
Not
time to
working.
go. Keep it nice and smooth for us.
I haven't hit a wall yet, Loki, but don't jinx me. I'm good at it.
Oh, someone's lagging. Yep.
Oh, fuck.
Woohoo! Almost kissed that wall right there. So as y'all know, the way that I've been trying to work it in to prevent other people from coming in here and having to watch ads at the stage breaks, I do run a quick 30-second ad just to keep it rolling. Welcome back, Bing. How you doing, buddy? Making some left turns, not doing nearly as well as yesterday. This is that truck league I was telling you about. Facebook call got me my first wall tag.
5 left to go.
Is pit road closing at 3?
2 to go. I want to close it.
2 to go.
Ooh.
All right, we need fuel. Let's pit now.
Might be able to catch it. Going to the end of the stage.
Oh, that's good. There goes
48's coming in.
You're going too fast.
Oh, well. I missed it. There goes that. Try this again.
Wes, did you speed?
You're almost out of gas.
48's trying to come into the pit again.
Hollywood, I don't know about you, but
You're
I
gonna
ain't
blow
gonna
a tire,
make it.
dude.
So.
The black flag is in the air.
Hey,
You know
black
what, I'm
flag.
fucking- just telling. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. That was quick.
Just
Holy
getting
shit.
Yeah, we got 15 people racing tonight, so it's definitely crowded.
Forward, stand low.
White flag is in the air.
Doesn't help that
We're just going up
it's
high.
horrible.
That's funny.
High to
Yellow,
3, high to 3.
yellow,
I'm
yellow,
high
yellow.
to 3. I'm already up against the
It's all
wall.
part of it.
Holy shit, Hollywood, you scared me. I almost killed you.
That's right. That's my bad, dude. That's
You're good,
I'm
man.
gonna be
This
high on
will
exit
work out.
4. High on exit 4.
Oh, sorry.
Oh my god, I got it.
Crappy.
Good shit, yeah.
Wait, what position am I in?
Fifth.
Oh shit! I thought
They're done with the stage, and I'm still in the pit.
I almost had it.
Nice driving.
I thought I
there,
had that in the
driver.
bag. What the fuck happened?
Got you at the line, Sam.
Good job, Tyler.
I'll
Damn.
run this
Thank
quick ad
Oh,
real
good
quick.
shit,
and we'll be
y'all.
right
I thought I
back.
had that one in the bag.
Oh man, stage is rough right
I thought for
now.
sure y'all were just unlapping me there and you had another lap to go. Oh well.
When I got into the wall, I just started saving.
12th
Oh,
place.
you didn't pick.
Uh-uh.
Oh, that's why. Okay.
Yeah.
I have no idea how that happened. I was puttering out going across the line.
Irish is a lap down. Let's not have a manual caution. Keep it
He's gonna
away.
get the, oh, he's not gonna get the waiver. Or the left. Fuck it is.
For that.
I didn't pick. Oh,
Oh my God.
fuck
Sam.
shit.
Coming to the green.
Go low.
Be
I
ready.
am. God damn it.
Car there on the
I'm
outside.
out.
All right, clear low. Fuck. Stay low. Still there inside.
I'm low. Low.
Got one peeking inside. Clear low, bud. Got a car low now. Clear low there. All right, you're clear.
Making some progress.
I don't know what the fuck that was.
Looking inside
I'm
now.
gonna click that shit.
No, that's fucking bullshit.
Hold your line. Got one outside. All clear.
Hollywood, let me know when you're gonna do it. It'll save us both time.
Car on the outside now. All right, you're clear.
You're running a pretty good pace, so.
Inside.
Hey, Sam's almost to the pits.
Fuck off.
Inside.
Alright, he
Inside,
beat
inside.
Mustang lap time, and he had a full tank of fuel, so.
Nice chat.
Appreciate the alert.
Go ahead and run.
That should be a.
I need 10
God
more
damn
solid
it.
laps. Concentrate for
I
me.
just took Real Deal out on the pits, so if he wants to cox, he can have one. I'm not gonna call
Yeah,
it
I
myself.
would like one, please.
Yeah.
Caution
that's
up
cox.
on.
I fucking.
I about had my lap back up the hard one.
Caution. Got a caution.
That's the
Yeah.
line, that's the line, that's the line.
Don't kill each other after we let out.
I'm sorry, Real Deal. I fucking.
It's alright.
Hit the
Okay,
gas.
go.
Let's fuck around.
Do we go around now? We get around
Yes.
Everybody catch
anyone.
up to the field. Everybody who's on the lead lap, stay low. Lap down cars, give me a lap back, go high.
We gonna
Let's get right open this time.
Yes, lap down cars that are going around will pit next time. So when we come out of the pits, we need to stay slow. That's a lot of fucking cars.
It's a lot of cars.
More coming.
Hudson, go ahead and
Inside, inside.
pass. I'm gonna pull left.
Are you in front of me, red car?
Yeah.
My fucking brake got stuck.
Are we pitting this time?
Yeah. Are we pitting or going around?
Once
Yeah,
you get
one
your
lap
lap
back.
back, pit.
Watch your
Oh
speed, please.
man, I missed the pit road. I thought we was going around again.
Yeah, a lot of us did.
Well, I would think you would have to in order to get a lap back.
He went on trash though. He went around trash. Holy fucking words! I can't fuck it.
Okay, camo. Jesus.
Oh, I don't know what just happened there. My
We
brain
are
just
gonna have to
broke.
go around one more time.
We're gonna try
to make
this
up
and
the
see what
lap.
happens.
Get everybody lined up.
Okay, yeah. So
Try to see what happens.
I thought they
So
was
how's
on
it
Got
going?
9 laps
How'd
up
you
the
get
stage.
They was
Just
keeping
one?
it 30.
Okay.
A little bit of
All
time.
right, the two cars that went around, you need to make sure you start in the back of the pack when all this sorts out.
All right now, dig, dig, dig.
So when you come out of the pits, just sit there and we'll go around you. And we'll go next, not this time, we'll go next time. We can, let's go ahead and do choose cone Hollywood.
Inside.
Fourth place outside.
5th place inside.
Fourth place outside.
That was actually sixth. And
We will go around again.
Yep.
Ninth place inside.
Chance it's gonna go inside if I don't go into the grass. Had my mic muted.
I'm in 14th, so whoever's 8 car get ahead of me is
We should probably pick up speed. so
Got
we
a
get
car
around these
high
guys.
now.
All right, let's bring it up to 60.
yeah, just stay behind me. We'll line up at the back.
All right, operator, what we do on this is the leader is Hollywood. He's going to count down from 3. When he says go, it should be
Y'all are
on the
ahead of
line.
me.
That's when you're going to go.
4 cars in the back. Good.
Hold your line.
Alright,
Where
guys
you
wanna
at?
get
Where
lined
you
up
high
right
low?
there.
Alright, you're clear there.
I'm low.
Go high.
Car outside.
Irish.
Wes,
Low.
I'll just try and take off
Clear
in
high,
that
clear
pink
high.
tank.
Outside.
Black car.
You're in front of me.
Go. Who is this?
Race chatter.
You going this time?
Yes, we're going this time. Listen to Hollywood. You know what you're doing, right, Hollywood?
Stay on the bottom.
I got you, brother.
No more
Still there.
manuals for this stage.
What?
All right, everybody, 3,
Still
2,
there.
1, go.
We can still run manuals. How to go on stage?
Stay
Or,
on the bottom.
yeah, for this stage, no more manuals.
Alright,
Yeah,
you're clear.
there's.
Why? I'm 6 left now.
Car
Sorry.
outside, hold your line. Car there on the
Had a
inside.
lot more laps to
You're
get
all
in.
clear up top there. Car there on the outside.
that's how we gonna race?
Got one peeking inside.
Get it, Tyler?
Yep.
There we go.
Hold your line. Got one inside. You're all clear on the bottom there. 5 to go, driver. Car there on the inside.
You alright, real deal? Good?
Stay low, stay low.
I hate this track.
You got room. You're clear.
My bad, the real deal.
I need 2 more solid laps, bud. Keep it going. White flag is in the air.
Couldn't hold Irishman.
Good stage win, Hollywood.
That'll earn you a few stage points. Caution.
We're at the stage, so we're gonna run that quick 30 second
I'll
head.
take fourth there.
I felt the need to
That's
really
pretty decent restart, Tyler.
change too much of the
Yeah,
setup.
that was good.
I had a hell of a move on you.
I just wanted it to be over with so we didn't both lose time.
Don't forget the pit.
See what we can do with the stage.
Fuck.
God damn it.
Alright, man. You're coming to the green. Be ready. The green flag is in the air. Outside, outside. Stay low. Alright, you're clear.
When you hit the wall, stay up there, man. You keep coming back in front of everybody.
Inside. You're all clear up top.
Sorry about that, Aid. I tried to break up.
It's gonna be a caution.
Call to caution.
That was on me, I squeezed you into the wall. Too good at y'all. Might be one of them leagues that their skill levels a little bit too much above mine.
Coming to the green, driver. Are you ready now? The green flag is in the air. Inside, inside. Still there. Stay low, stay low. You're all clear up top. All right, you're clear there.
Fucking gator.
Still there. Inside. All right, you're clear there. Hold your line, stay high. Got a car coming inside now. Clear low, bud. Inside, inside. You got room, you're clear there. Hold your line, got one inside.
Pretty crappy. But it is what it is. Don't need a caution. Just about my luck, Bing.
Now.
I enjoy racing, but not necessarily the best at it.
Good shit, Jan. Thank you.
Yep.
Good news is we'll be one lap down. Turn right out.
Whoever's up here is gonna have to move for a long time.
Stay high in this turn for y'all.
Thank you.
Nice shot some shit. I thought you were.
Looking inside now. Hold your line, got one inside. Hold your line, got one inside. Got one down low now.
That was my bad, Wallace.
No, you're fine. I saw you.
.99 this time.
Pitting this time.
I'm pitting out of 7. Pitting out of 11.
He's 3 in.
Hitting out of 3rd.
He's 3 out.
We've got to be hurting on fuel. Bring it down pit lane.
Seven coming out.
My bad, man. I wanted to get that lower.
Yeah, you're right, you're right. Coming out, man.
12 coming out.
8 coming out.
48's coming in.
Slow down.
Well,
I wasn't trying to
better
show you.
pit.
I know.
I got first place for all of the lap. Well, not even a full lap. So we'll see what I can pull up at the end here. Maybe by some miracle I can get back into this thing. What's up, Rebel? Appreciate you dropping by, buddy. I'm trying, but I'm not very good at it. But we're definitely gonna try. Let's get back to it. Yeah. Alright. 48 is coming out.
All right now, dig. Careful, still there. Still there inside. Got one down low now.
Thanks.
Still there inside. Got one down low now.
Go inside, Leah.
We got 20 more laps.
Clear. Appreciate it.
Back it down, back it down.
Alright, Bing. I'm gonna try something right here. Probably not gonna help me any, but gotta do something, right? See if this gets me anything. After this race, I will switch it to
63
the
out.
be right back screen. Just for a little
27
bit.
pitting.
Give me a snack and a drink, and we'll get the roll going, probably. But we'll see if this can be done.
'99 coming out.
48's coming up.
All right now, dig, dig, dig.
They're not the third or the front.
Staying high, Irish.
Got a car low now.
Damn it, no, it's all right. I found it. What the hell are you waiting on?
You're good.
27 coming out.
Keep digging. 10 to go. I need 10 more solid laps. Concentrate for me.
Damn it, dude. Real deal? I'm fucking done with you, man.
Hold your line. Got one inside.
Relax. We'll talk about it after the race. Well, my strategy didn't work. Should have played it safe. Fuck.
Deal, go high.
Got a car low now.
You would have had me clear. You stood up so much.
Yeah, I couldn't judge it going through either.
5 to go, this time by. Two laps to go. White flag is in the air.
Good win, Ash. I thought I'd come out. I thought
Good
that
win,
hurt
That's
them some
okay.
tires,
We'll get
man.
them next time here.
But it's still a great battle.
We got 4 cars racing. Hold on.
Sorry, Tyler, I messed you up at one time, dude. I was trying
No,
to
no,
get away.
You didn't.
Good race, guys. That was fun coming through the field with you guys. A few times.
Well,
Sam,
that
I got
was
stage
a bit of a
2 and
doozy.
finish. I think I missed stage 1.
I'll have to go check. I think I got it though.
Alright, so what I'm gonna do now,
Ah, fuck.
once
Good
you get
fucking
back
race,
to the lobby,
You were fast tonight, bud.
I'm gonna switch it over to
Surprised me.
Fuck, I wanted
be right
that.
back screen.
Good
Grab
seventh
me a
place
snack and a
operator.
drink, and I'm gonna come back and I wanna
Pretty
try
good
and work
debut.
on intros and stinger type situations.
Yeah, I
to
stayed
get
out
them
as long
running
as
right.
Here.
You and Irish short pitted
It's
in
easier to
3.
test the whole fly.
I stayed out as long as
Short
I
pitted.
could. 2. I think I stayed out of them so I could see you at the end. Worked, but you guys get ground when you're fresher full and staying out both times long. Yes.
Yeah, there's 1 per week in 3 different